Hey yo, we're wiping off. We've slept in the grout. Can you see that? I hope so. Wow. Yeah, cool. These Washboys are so good. I learned to grout many years ago, and it was just with a sponge and a bucket of water. And these came in. I was a little bit apprehensive at the start, but you know, it was the same as the clips. I was apprehensive at the start as well. Yeah, it's a no-brainer. I wouldn't use anything else. I wouldn't use anything else than clips, and I wouldn't use anything else than a Washboy. They are so fast, clean, bloody beautiful. There's a little bit of plastic up in there. I always have a sharp blade. That's why I use these snap-off suckers a lot. Easy. The snap-off blade, you got a brand, you know, like it's brand new and sharp every time. Every time you snap off a section. The other Stanley knives, well, they get blunt, and then what? You got to change the blade all the time. I've just put these pieces in there. I've got the other ones in another room there, glued into the plate that goes over, you know, for the waste. But I've only just glued them, so I am using something else so I don't stand on fresh glue and stuff it up. I'll put them in tomorrow. You can't do that with a normal sponge as well. All right, well, this is Chriso from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia, signing off. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you would, and we'll see you soon. Bye.